There's a monster sleeping inside Bruce Banner, and when it wakes up, reality breaks. But what if I told you the Hulk isn't just strong? He's literally rewriting the laws of physics every time he gets angry? Today, we're diving into the terrifying science of unlimited rage and why the angrier he gets, the more godlike he becomes. Welcome back to Mystic Horizons, where we expose the cosmic truths hiding behind every story, every hero, every myth you thought you understood. Forget everything you think you know about strength limits. The Hulk has no strength ceiling. None. The angrier he gets, the stronger he becomes, forever. He's punched through time itself, shattered dimensions with his bare hands, and held tectonic plates together. But here's the mind-bending part. His anger doesn't just make him stronger, it makes him smarter, faster, and virtually immortal. The Hulk's healing factor makes Wolverine look fragile. He's regenerated from being completely atomized. His rage literally brings him back from non-existence. His thunderclap can level entire cities, create hurricanes, and shatter the sound barrier. One leap can take him from Earth to the moon. His legs generate enough force to escape planetary gravity. And his senses? He can see gamma radiation, detect lies through heartbeat analysis, and track sense across galaxies. But even gods have enemies, and the Abomination was created to be the Hulk's perfect nightmare. Emil Blonsky was already a super soldier when gamma radiation transformed him into something that makes the Hulk look human. The Abomination is stronger than baseline Hulk, more intelligent, and completely devoid of Bruce Banner's humanity. If this is blowing your mind already, subscribe and hit that like button, because we're about to shatter everything you thought you knew. When they fight, they don't just destroy cities, they unravel the fabric of reality itself. But here's what makes this fight truly terrifying. The Abomination can't get stronger. The Hulk can forever. What happens when the Hulk never dies and never stops getting angrier? In a future where everyone he loved is dead, Bruce Banner becomes the Maestro, the Hulk's ultimate evolution. He's lived for over 100 years, accumulated the strength of eternal rage and the wisdom of Banner's genius. When present-day Hulk fought his future self, it wasn't even close. Maestro had the strength of infinite anger, plus a century of strategy. The Maestro doesn't just conquer worlds, he remakes them in his image. He's what happens when unlimited power meets unlimited time. But how does infinite rage stack up against gods and cosmic entities? Thor's hammer, forged in the heart of a dying star. The Hulk has got it barehanded. The unstoppable juggernaut met the immovable Hulk, and physics had a nervous breakdown. Here's a challenge. Screenshot the most mind-bending visual so far and post it to your story. Tag us. Let's see how many people we can break today. He shattered Doctor Strange's mirror dimension, survived Galactus's cosmic hunger, and made Zeus himself retreat. When the Marvel Universe needed to be stopped, they called the Sentry. When they needed the Sentry stopped, they prayed the Hulk was having a good day. But even infinite power has one weakness, and it's not what you think. The Hulk's greatest enemy isn't the Abomination, or the Maestro, or even cosmic entities. It's Bruce Banner himself. The very humanity that creates the Hulk is what limits him. Every time Banner's love outweighs his rage, the Hulk loses power. Every act of heroism makes him weaker. The cruel irony? The more heroic the Hulk becomes, the less Hulk-like he gets. So what really happens when you get that angry? You don't just become stronger, you become a force of nature that reality itself has to accommodate. The Hulk isn't just Marvel's strongest hero. He's proof that emotion can literally reshape reality. But the real power isn't in the anger, it's in choosing when not to be angry. Because unlimited power without unlimited responsibility makes you the very monster you're fighting. Which Hulk would you want to be? The Savage Hulk's raw power? Professor Hulk's genius? Or Maestro's eternal dominion? Remember, we all have a monster inside. The question is, what are you going to do with yours? Think this was intense? Subscribe or miss the most disturbing truth in comics and mythology.